When you begin using your coding critter, first know that all coding critters work in the same way. I will just be demonstrating with the cat critter. You want to set up your board, and these pictures on the board can help guide you. Then you can flip your critter over and slide the on-off switch to on, and you want to make sure that this little lever here is in the center as close as you can get it. That will keep your critter going straight, hopefully, instead of turning when it should be going straight. And then these are the buttons that you'll use to move forward and backwards, left and right. And then the center button is the one that you'll use to get it to go. Now the nose also activates it into different modes. So if the cat starts moving by itself, or if it's not following your commands, you might have bumped the nose and you might need to hit it 1 or 2 times to get it back into the correct mode. So your critter's always going to start Your critter's always going to start in the home position. You can move this if you need to. And you're going to begin, all the cards that you're going to use should be facing down. And the first person can pick up a card. So this card is telling me that I need to get my critter from the house, the kitty house, to the kitty ball. Okay? And I can only get it there by using the coding buttons. I cannot just pick it up and turn it a certain way and then have it go. Okay? And you also don't have to code it all in your first try. You can do it more times if you need to. So first I'm going to begin by having my kitty go forward 1 time. Okay, and the ball's over here, so I'm going to need my kitty to turn that way. Oh, he's almost there. So I think if I turn him 1 more time, there he goes. He got the ball and the baby kitty. Okay, so now we'll reset everything up. And now the next person gets to go. So they pick the tree. So now the next person will get the critter from the house to the tree. So we can move this out of the way if we need to. How many times do we think it will take to get to the tree? I'm going to try 4. You can see he still went a little bit crooked there, but that's okay. I'll have him go. 4 didn't quite get us to the tree, so I'm going to have him, I will let you straighten it out if it went a little crooked. I'm going to have him go forward, I think, 2 more times. And then I'm going to have him turn once. Well, he definitely got to the tree that time, didn't he?